Hey everyone, welcome to today's Python programming lesson where I'm going to show you guys the filter function, which is a built-in function that allows you to process an iterable and extract those items to satisfy a given condition. So for starters, I'm going to create a list, and I'm just going to call it num list. And it's going to just store integers, and I'm going to have a total of several elements ranging from 1 to 9. And then after this, to allow the filter function to function correctly, it takes two iterables. So the first one being a function, and then the second being the list or set of iterables that you wish to go through. So from the num list, after that, I'm going to define a function. I'm just going to call it func. And let's say it takes the object or parameter num. And then I'm going to return num modulus 2 being equal to 0. Which means if the modulus of 2, or the remainder, is equal to 0, I'm going to return this number. And that basically just means if the number in the element is even. I'm going to create a new list, and I'm going to have the equal to list to have it in the form of a list. I'm going to then call the filter function, and then the filter function takes two parameters. The first one, like I said, is the function, and the second is the list that we wish to review. So it's basically utilizing that function and applying it to that list. So if I wish to print out this new list, it's basically going to go through numList, and at any element modulus of 2, remainder 0, it will return that value. So if I print new list, you'll see that only 2, 4, 6, and 8 are provided when I run this list. So that's how the filter function can be utilized in going through and filtering out through a list and extracting certain information. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for other future videos regarding Python programming, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video for more future content. See ya.